Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennials channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create a image for your catalog. So here you see different templates, or you can just easily add your own picture. So for example, I want to add this one, so I can just scroll to see more, and then to change, just tap on replace, and then this is my image. Now you have to wait, and then you can just adjust by tapping with two fingers, and just move with one finger and just move around your finger, and then zoom in and zoom out by pinching it in and out. And you can also change the template. Just tap there and then move it where you want it to be. And then you can also add, so to change the writing, you can just tap and then just erase and add your own writing. So for example, buy one get one free. And then once you're done, you can just tap done on the top right corner, and make sure and just tap enter so it fits there. And that's it. So I hope this video is useful, and thank you for watching.